Unexpected downtime may occur in day-to-day production. Every second costs money. To minimize such downtime and to guarantee the fastest help possible, we offer our clients a remote audio-visual connection to our service department. And that can simply be done via multifunctional glasses. In the event of an error report, all that is required is a call via the new IDEAL service. The IDEAL service technician can see everything that the client can see through the glasses. The voice connection will then also operate via the multifunctional glasses. The IDEAL service technician, together with the operator, can then locate the fault more exactly and work out solutions. In addition, our service department can not only give spoken instructions, but also project instructions in symbols and text onto the image in the multifunctional glasses display, which the client can also see. With the new remote audio-visual connection to our service department, in the event of a service intervention, our clients save a lot of time and money in many scenarios.